Hey guys, welcome back to Accessory Shop. Today we are going to check out Baby Blume Baby Pop, and it comes with 4 nurseries to collect. There's outfits, accessories, and they're scented, and even more. So we're going to check them out. So we're going to start opening it up. I can't wait to see what babies are inside. And here's the box. We're going to get ready to open them up. Here's the collector's guide. There's so many babies to collect. You can get 3, 4 babies, or 3 babies, or even 5. I hope we get 5. Let's get ready to plant some gardens. Let's plant our balloons. So we're going to pull them out and unscrew them. Ooh, I got a baby. Look at that little baby cutie. When she's born. Oh, there's a cute little baby. So there's her pink hair. Put this back on, I think. And she's a cute baby. We planted 1 baby from the garden. The next awesome blossom. Looks like we have 4 babies, I think. So we're going to move in to our second baby. And she came out too. Ooh, she looks not so happy to be bloomed. Let's take her hair off. Ooh. I don't know if that comes off. Hopefully we can fix that later. Let's try to take off her outfit. We're gonna have to pull it. I don't know if they're boys or girls until we do the ginger reveal. The ginger reveal with babies. I'm going to put her suit in her cocoon and put her hat back on, I guess. I think I'll put that in too, so we don't lose all of the parts. I hope I get a boy and 2 girls and 2 boys. So, ooh, this looks like a boy or something. She looks so cute. Let's see who's born next. Oh, she's also not happy to be born. She has lemonade on her head. So I think we're just going to pull her baby outfit off. And our second one. Huh. All I see is here is their accessories. We have, I was hoping for a baby or something. Hopefully the next one's not some jerk. So it looks like a pinky, a bottle, and a pacifier, bottle, and a little toy. Do I get another baby? The baby. Let's see what's next. It looks like a lemonade, baby food, a carrot, I support it, and a water bottle. and nothing. We're going to see the nursery. Let's find their little home. Their little home. So I have the first nursery, and this comes out. And this will not open. I know it does somehow. Surprises! We found our surprises. Looks like some Blume things, so how we can bloom and know that those are girls. And we have more stuff. Yep, we have little baby toys. We have a pig, hedgehog, and a yellow bear holding a bottle. I can tell this opens. And we have food, I think. I would totally not eat this in 1,000 years. But this is cute. So now let's see and add some stickers. Because this nursery is flying, y'all. We want to make it fun. Star in the mirror. Gonna make some flowers hanging around. Put it in the secret compartment right there. A bumblebee getting close to the sun. So, the ladder makes a slide. So I have a slide for the babies. And we are going to add a lot of cold water into the bath and see if they're boys or girls. And then I will tell you the sets. Got a big tub of water. So I'm going to move this to the side so I don't get anything wet. And pour this in. There's your bath. It's all the way to the top. So we have these that makes a bubble, so you can have a bubble bath. Make a rip. Ah! And now I think we're supposed to mix it so it can bubble. So let's take a break and mix it. If it's blue, if it's a blue diaper, that means it's a boy. If it's a pink diaper, then it's a girl. Whee! It's a boy! You got a baby boy. Well, I'm going to let him soak in there. And you are next. You look like a boy. So I don't know about this one. It's a girl. Aww. See, it's pink. And this one looks like a girl, so hopefully it is. It's a boy. Oh, this makes sense. So if you think it's a girl, it's a boy. And if you think this is a boy, it's a girl. So I'm going to make them swim. So since this one's a boy, it's because it's a blue diaper. See that blue diaper? And this one's another boy because there's another blue diaper. This one's a girl because it's a pink diaper. The Blume Baby Pops, a 10, 10, 10. And these are $14.99 at Target. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to say sweet people, sweet to make you grow.